Becoming a business analyst BA involves developing a combination of skills, knowledge, and experience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can embark on this career path. 1. Educational background. Bachelor's degree. Start with a degree in a relevant field such as business administration, information technology, finance, or a related discipline. While there is no specific degree requirement, understanding business processes and technical concepts is key. Certifications. Consider obtaining certifications that are specifically designed for business analysis. Some popular ones include Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBA, Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, ECBA, PMI Professional in Business Analysis, PBA. Number 2, develop key skills. A good business analyst needs a blend of both technical and soft skills. Analytical thinking, the ability to understand and analyze business problems and suggest appropriate solutions. Communication skills. You'll need to effectively communicate requirements between stakeholders, teams, and clients. Problem-solving skills. Identifying business challenges and providing solutions that meet both the business's needs and the end users. Technical skills. Understanding data analysis, SQL, and basic programming languages will help in working with technical teams. Tools familiarity. Learn to work with tools like Microsoft Excel, Power BI Tableau, and project management software, e.g. Jira, Trello. Gain experience. Entry-level positions. Start with roles in related fields such as project coordination, quality assurance, or business operations. Internships. Get hands-on experience through internships in business analysis or data analysis roles. Volunteer. Offer to help with data analysis or process improvement projects at your current organization. And 4, understand business processes and systems. Learn about business models. Familiarize yourself with common business models, workflows, and system analysis techniques like SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, or value chain analysis, agile and waterfall methodologies. These are common frameworks used in business analysis. Understand the differences and how they impact project delivery. Add networking. Join professional groups. Become a part of local or online business analysis communities. This will give you insights into industry trends and allow you to connect with experienced professionals. Attend workshops, conferences. Participating in events or webinars related to business analysis helps stay updated and expand your professional network. 6, certifications. While certifications are not always mandatory, they can significantly boost your career. CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional, an advanced level certification for experienced professionals. CCBA, Certification of Competency in Business Analysis, for professionals with a few years of experience. EC Certificate in Business Analysis, a beginner certification for those new to the field. 7, work on projects, freelance or side projects. As you build your skills, consider working on projects to gain practical experience. This can involve working with small businesses or startups, helping them improve their processes or systems. 8, stay updated. Read books and blogs. Regularly read books and blogs to stay informed about the latest trends in business analysis and project management. Follow industry leaders. Stay in touch with what industry leaders are discussing by following them on LinkedIn, blogs, or podcasts. 9, advance your career. Specialize. As you gain experience, you may want to specialize in areas like data analysis, finance, IT, or healthcare, depending on the industry you are interested in. Leadership roles. With experience, you can move into more senior roles, such as project manager, product manager, or lead business analyst. By following these steps, you'll develop the necessary skills, experience, and credentials to become a successful business analyst.